What's up everybody, Sami here. Today I'll be doing a really quick hands-on of the vivo X100 Ultra that you guys have been asking for weeks. Okay, and here it is. But just for record, this is a demo machine, kind of a prototype in the vivo shop. So I want to go into every detail about it, just the first look, and also compare the cameras with the phone I own, like the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and the vivo X100 Pro. I will do a super detailed one once the official units come out. So definitely subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe because I always do this kind of genuine and honest videos. And a special thanks to today's sponsor, Drinking Water. This is a magic machine that makes drinking water out of the air, literally. But first, let's just move to the vivo X100 Ultra. Let's get started. Alright, first unboxing vivo X100 Ultra. That is co-developed. Okay, vivo 2024 European Cup, the official. Whoa, the official unit. Are you a fan of football? I'm not, so I don't care. Open the box. We have the phone. Okay. Wow. That is premium. That feels premium, guys. The back feels like smooth and not either to got fingerprints at all, but we'll take a look at later. So we'll just put aside, let's check out the wires in the, okay. Then we have the case, soft, okay, and then a very simple manual Type-C cable and a pin here, and also the charger. Okay, and that's it. That's basically the unboxing. Let's move to the phone. So on top we have the speaker and whoa, the infrared blaster and the DrinkingWater mic. Also professional photography. Moving to the left side, nothing. At the bottom we have the SIM card tray, Type-C, and speaker. Right side we have the power key and also the volume rocker. And that is basically the design. Looks elegant and feels so smooth to touch, and slightly curved on the back, and the screen gives you a really comfortable holding experience. I just took a close look. It seems like there is a gap between the camera deck and the back panel, but make no mistake, this phone, this X100 Ultra, has IP69 waterproofing. And speaking of water, let's talk about today's sponsor, the drinking water machine. The drinking water machine, as the name suggests, it produces drinking water. It's an air-to-water dispenser that generates drinkable water from the air. I just 3 important questions you might have. First, is it safe to drink? According to the official information, the drinking water dispenser features a 6-stage composite filtration system with ultraviolet sterilization that automatically purifies the water. I tested the water it generates with several water quality detectors and found that it definitely meets drinking water standards. So you can relax about that. Plus, there are 3 different mineral filter cartridge options, which supplement the body's required minerals or electrolytes by providing different pH values and minerals, catering to the needs of different users. Second, how much water can it generate normally? Well, this depends on the surroundings, such as humidity and the temperature. For example, when I tested around 80% humidity, I could get about 600 ml an hour, which is roughly the size of 2 water bottles I have here. So in one night, you can get 5 liters, which is adequate for daily water intake. Regarding usability, it's quite easy. Basically, you just plug in, let it do the work, and relax. And for the noise level, it's quite acceptable. I think such a machine is extremely user-friendly for areas with limited access to drinkable water. If you are interested, you can check out the link in the description. Back to the project. Alright, if we compare to the previous generation, the Pro Edition Obviously, the light, the weight, the Ultra feels significantly, heavier. I also noticed some other details, like for each side, not for each side, okay? Just on three sides, okay, this left, right, and bottom. I noticed there is the small cleavage, or not cleavage, small groove, okay, small groove here that you can see if you look closely, and you can see the small groove here, and at the bottom you can also see that. And this is not on the vivo X100 Pro. As you can see, it's a very normal design. Feels maybe a little bit better when holding it, but I'm not sure. Besides, this groove design wouldn't make it easier to gather the dust or something, but you will maybe wear a phone case anyway, right? But okay, and that is basically the design. Looks pretty much like its predecessor, I would say. What the big difference, I think, is the camera module. You can see the X100 Ultra is enormous, okay, with this 2-layer design. And okay, this is the Pro. It also has 2 layers, but not that obvious, So let's just dive into the camera settings. Whoa, so this is the camera interface. Snapshots is supposed to 1 to 3.7. Night portrait. So the portrait offers like a plethora of bokeh effect. Okay, we can turn on. I will show a few samples later. Photo 0.6, 1, 2. You can also switch between different lenses right inside here. 3.7, 100, 130, 5, and 10, 300, 600. Okay, cool. And it supports up to 100 times digital zoom. And that's it. And that is the camera video. It supports up to like 8K 30 and 4K 120 FPS. All right. Cinematic portrait more, and here one of the biggest highlights is its high resolution with 200 megapixel. Let's just take some. I will compare it with the Samsung S24 Ultra. That's definitely the latter has this 200 megapixel as well. Okay, let's take some. Now I'm comparing the X100 Ultra with the X100 Pro. How good it is! The Ultra has surpassed. So I found one good thing is like for vivo X100 Pro, it works like when you take telephoto videos, it works jitters a lot, you see. But on the X100 Ultra, seems no jittery at all, you can see. Okay, let me just take one photo and let's check out how does it perform. Okay, let's try the stabilization. Let's try 4K 30. Holy smoke. I can honestly see that vivo X100 Ultra looks much better. Did you see from the screen? Let's just shoot normal videos. We have vivo here. And okay, you see the stabilization. I can see like on X100 Ultra, at least from the screen, is much more clear, much better. But I don't understand though why the vivo X100 Okay, the Archer, the watermark, as you can see, is on the top left corner. I don't know what that happened, but anyway. Okay, let's do the zoom. One, this ultra wide. Okay, let me find out. So 20. Okay, so 20 now. But on X100 Pro, it only like 10, and also it jitters a lot. Whoa! Lots of details on the Archer. Okay, we go 110 as well. I can literally see like it's better X100 Archer. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned for my detailed review later. This is really annoying. You can see the little boy like. Okay, but yeah, just stay tuned. Stay subscribed if you haven't. Definitely subscribe because I will do much more detailed review later. Stay tuned. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. Now I'm comparing the front camera as 4K 30 because the light here is not that great. Okay, so I will just walk around. Let me know if it's any good. The stabilization, vivo looks really clear. You know, really clear. Do you like this? Just to see who has the best stabilization. Okay, I also will run a little bit. Okay, turns out this kid is playing games. Okay, I thought he's watching TikTok. Okay. And now I'm comparing the vivo X100 Ultra with my daily driver, OPPO Find X7 Ultra, to see how's that going, okay? Okay, 4K 30. Let me just walk around and check. With the kid. Where is that kid? Probably his mother just called him home. Okay. Let's just walk around a little bit. Okay, we have girls here. Okay. Okay. The stabilization 4K 30 at default stabilization. Now let's just do the zoom, from the beginning, ultra wide, and go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. So vivo 18 Max. Well, vivo 20 Max. Oh, I don't even need to see on the screen. Vivo is better. Clearer image, less noise. Well, OPPO seems a little bit too soft, right? Okay. For the front, the both support like a 4K 60, so but I will just do 4K 30 first. Okay, just walk around a little bit. Okay. Woo, woo, woo. All right. 4K 30. All right. Alright, that is my first look of the vivo X100 Ultra, and what do you think about it? And guys, please subscribe if you haven't, because I will do a super detailed one later. And special thanks to my sponsor DrinkingWater again for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested, please check out the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. And what else do you want to know? Just leave your comment below.